Today, I'm about to show you something that's honestly breaking the internet right now. These cheating fruit story videos are exploding. And what's even crazier is that new channels are pulling massive views and getting monetized incredibly fast because people just can't stop watching them. You don't need cameras, actors, or expensive productions. AI generates the entire story with consistent characters from beginning to end. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral cheating fruit story videos step by step, from the characters and story to the final video. And trust me, once you see how easy this is, you'll understand why so many new channels are blowing up with this content. First, head over to AI Cut Pro and create your account. I'll leave the link in the description so you can jump straight in. Once you're inside, you'll see that AI Cut Pro is built specifically for creating these kinds of viral AI story videos without having to start everything from scratch. And that's exactly what makes it so useful for this workflow. Whether you're creating content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, you can take a simple story idea and turn it into a complete video without needing advanced editing or design skills. And remember, the whole point of this tutorial is to recreate those cheating fruit story videos that are getting crazy views right now. So instead of manually building every character, scene, and animation, we're going to let AI Cut Pro handle most of the heavy lifting. Now inside your dashboard, look for the cheating fruit story template and click on it. The first step is to come up with the story idea, and AI Cut Pro actually makes this really easy because it already gives you a list of interesting story concepts right here. You can simply scroll through these and pick any one that catches your attention. And if you don't like the options you're seeing, just click Regenerate, and AI Cut Pro will generate a fresh set of ideas for you. But what if you already have your own story idea? No problem. Just click here, and AI Cut Pro will take you to the next page, where you can enter the full details of your story, including the fruit you want as the protagonist and the fruit that will play the affair partner. For this tutorial, though, I'm going to go back to the Ideas page and select this story right here and click the Continue to Cast button. Now, AI Cut Pro will take the story we selected and automatically start building the cast of characters for us. This is where the AI begins turning our simple story idea into the actual characters that will appear throughout the video. Once the cast is ready, the next step is to generate the images. AI Cut Pro gives you several premium image generation models to choose from, so you have quite a few options depending on the style and quality you want. For this tutorial, I'm going with GPT Images 2.0. I'll select it here and click Generate. Now just give it a few seconds to process, and you'll have all the images ready. You can preview them one by one to make sure the characters and scenes look the way you want. And this is especially important for these story videos because character consistency is a huge part of making the final video feel believable. Once you're happy with the images, simply click Continue and we can move on to the next step. Now, it's time to set the duration and generation settings for our video. As you can see, AI Cut Pro allows us to generate up to 90 seconds of content, which gives us plenty of room to create a complete short-form story. Go ahead and click Advanced to reveal the generation options. Here, you can choose the video generation model you want to use. There are several options available, but for this tutorial, I'm going with Grok Imagine. For the image generation model, I'll keep GPT Images 2.0 selected, since that's what we used in the previous step. Next, choose your aspect ratio. You have 3 different options here, but since we're creating content specifically for shorts, I'm going with 9:16. Once everything is set, click Generate Scenes plus Image, and AI Cut Pro will start turning our story into individual scenes and visuals. And there we go. As you can see, AI Cut Pro has generated all of our scenes and images. What I really like here is that the AI references the cast we created earlier, which helps maintain character consistency across the different scenes, so our fruits don't suddenly change appearance halfway through the story. Now, everything is ready, so I'll click Generate Video and let the AI agent handle the rest. Depending on the length of your video, this can take up to around 10 to 20 minutes or less to complete. So while it processes everything, you can just sit back and let AI Cut Pro do the heavy lifting. And once it's finished, we can finally preview some of the scene, or the full video to see how our cheating fruit story turned out.
What are you doing with my wife?
Dante, wait! It was one stupid kiss! Please let me in. I swear Jules means nothing.
You left me outside my own marriage. I forgive you, Mila. Don't make me regret it.
Oh, thank God. Baby, I won't.
Now, if you notice that a particular scene didn't turn out quite right, which can happen with some AI models, you don't have to regenerate the entire video. Simply select that scene and regenerate it until you're happy with the result. To add captions, click the Captions button and generate them automatically. You can also head over to Styles to change your caption style, color, add a text watermark to your video, and even add text overlays like the ones you commonly see on viral TikTok content. Another feature I really like is the music section. AI Cut Pro gives you access to viral sounds and different music options that you can use to make your videos more engaging and give them that extra social media feel. Next, tighten your scenes for a fluid video. Once everything looks good, click Render to process all the scenes and put everything together. And there we go! We now have our complete cheating fruit story video, ready to go. And that's honestly how simple it is to create this type of viral content using a reusable AI workflow. So don't stop at one video. Create as many stories as you can and consistently post them across your social platforms. You can download it directly or publish it straight to your social media platforms. And if you want to try AI Cut Pro yourself, use the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.